In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly powerful, totally free method you can use to copy and paste your way to $350 a day. As you follow me throughout this video, I'm literally going to share with you exactly how to find a good product to promote online. I'm then going to share with you a little known free website you can use to get massive visitors to whatever product you want to promote. And I'm even going to share with you copy paste ads that you can get access to, and all you have to do is post it on that website and you can start to get massive free traffic to your offers so you can rake in money even while you're sleeping. What's going on? Garrett here, back again with another video. Now, before I dive into this exact simple step-by-step formula, if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my weekly step-by-step videos, be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified. And last but not least, if you're excited to learn this exact powerful strategy, I want you to smash the like button right now. That tells me you want me to make more videos just like this one. Now, all that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the very first step, okay? So the very first step is we need to find a good product to promote. Now, there's a lot of places you can go online. In this video, I'm gonna do Digistore24, okay? Now, all the links, by the way, to this powerful method are gonna be under this video in the description. And you wanna click that, you wanna go to Digistore24. Now, once you're on this website, what you wanna do if you don't have a free account is you simply wanna register. So go to the top right, click that register now button. You can go ahead and sign up. All you have to do is create a username. Now you wanna click affiliate because you're signing up as an affiliate. So when you promote other people's products and they sign up and buy through your own affiliate link, you're gonna get credit and you're gonna be able to earn money in the form of a commission. So you wanna create a username, email, password, okay? Go ahead and put in this information. It's totally safe. Digistore24 is a massive affiliate marketplace, so you don't have anything to worry about. Put all that information in and register for free. Now, once you're inside your account inside Digistore24, you wanna click the marketplace tab. This is gonna take you to all these different categories of products. Now, it really doesn't matter which category you wanna do, but if you just wanna follow me in this video and start to earn up to $350 a day very easily, then we're gonna actually do the business and investment. So once you click that, you wanna make sure you sort results by sales rank. On Digistore24, that's typically the best way to sort because it's gonna share with you the top selling best products at the very top of the page, okay? So you can see that this product right here actually has a 50% commission, which is pretty good. And you can see the earnings, the average earnings are about $402, which is incredible, okay? So that means when you go ahead and promote your link, you could earn up to that amount. Now, you can also look at some of this other information like the cancellation rate. This is the refund rate. Anything below 7% is pretty good. That means that when people buy, they're happy with the product. You don't want to promote a product that has a huge cancellation rate, and then chances are you may not be able to keep your earnings, okay? So you want to just look down and, go ahead and see they have all these different products. Now, for the sake of this video, I mean, I can literally just, do this one right here. So whenever you find a product, you just want to click promote now, okay? And you can go ahead and close that. And now you have your affiliate link right here. Now we want to keep this handy. This is going to be used in just a little bit inside this video. So let me go ahead and open a notepad and go ahead and put that link in there. Okay, so I open up the notepad, I put that link in right there. That's gonna be my affiliate link. And we can go ahead and take a look at what this affiliate sales page is gonna look like, okay? So you can see how to get rich with Bitcoin. This is a crypto offer. Crypto is incredibly popular at the time of recording. So this looks pretty darn good. And when someone goes down and they actually, click here to sign up, they will actually go through the process. And when they actually buy, again, we're gonna be able to make a commission, okay? So this is looking pretty good. Okay, so the next step is once we find a good product to promote, now we want to go to this little known free website that we can actually post ads and start to get a massive amount of traffic and clicks to our affiliate links, okay? So the website most people don't really know about is called worldprofit.com. Now, like I said, all these links are gonna be directly below, so you can go ahead and click that link. Once you're on this page, you wanna join for free. Now, like I said, this is a totally free method, so you don't even have to worry. Just go ahead and click join our free membership here, or you can click join free at the top. Now, once you do that, you simply want to enter your name, enter your email, and click click get started now, okay? Now, once you do that, you're gonna receive an email to your email inbox within a few minutes or so. You wanna check your promotions or your spam folder, and you wanna go ahead and confirm your email, and that's gonna allow you to create a free account with World Profit. Now, once you create a free account, you want to actually go into your back office. Now, you can see they have all these different, links and different colors, and it can be pretty distracting, but not to worry, my friend. As you continue to follow me, I'm gonna share with you step by step how to actually do this, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna ignore most of this, and you just wanna go to the left side, and you wanna click free classified ads, and then you wanna click place ads free. This is gonna take you to the part of the website where you can actually post tons of ads. Now you can see that these people right here, these are other people that have posted ads on this website. Now, the cool thing is if you go ahead and look at the different categories, you'll see where people have posted their ads, okay? So you can see that they have all these different ads right here. Now this ad has gotten 45 views, 47 views, 1 click. Okay, so these are other people that have used this website and they're getting views totally for free. So this can easily convert into traffic to our affiliate links, which will be sales and money in our pocket. So what you want to do is you want to actually click post ad at the top right. Okay, now once you click post ad like that, we're going to see where we can put in a title, which is just like a subject line for our ad, and then we can put in our ad content. Now, before we do this, we want to do another step. So we want to go back to Digistore24 and we want to go to the affiliate sales page that we actually found with the product we're promoting. So what we want to do is we want to go to the very top. We want to copy the link to this sales page, and we want to go over to a free website called web2pdfconvert.com. Again, all the links are going to be down below. When you click this page, what this does is this converts any online web page into a PDF document. So the reason we want to do this is if you just go to worldprofit.com and you go ahead and post and you try to get people directly to the sales page, that can work in some cases, but you want to actually do it in a way that's like you're giving value, okay? So people love information, people love receiving valuable insights. So we're going to actually create a PDF and we're going to give this away, but it's going to lead eventually to our affiliate offer. So by doing it this way, we should dramatically increase our conversions and make a lot more money per visitor. So we want to go back to this website. We want to actually paste in the link right there. We want to click this little circular thing right there. It's going to be converting it into a PDF. And then once it's done, we're going to be able to download that PDF and use it in a second. So just click download the converted file. That's going to download and save to your computer. And then what we want to do is we want to actually go over to another website that's totally free called 𝐏𝐨𝐩𝐿.com. Okay, so again, all the links are below. Now, once we do this, we're going to be able to use this website to edit the PDF we just downloaded. So once we downloaded that PDF, we need to edit it and add our affiliate links. So when someone opens up that PDF, it's going to be linking to our affiliate link. So when someone buys, we're getting tracked for those sales and we can make quite a bit of money, as you'll see as you keep watching. So we just want to click edit a PDF document, and then we want to click upload and then choose the PDF we just downloaded. Okay, so you can see that it just uploaded like this, and you can see it's just the sales page. But what we can do is we can actually add in text. Okay, so if you click text right here, what we can do is click there and we can say, click here for more info, right? And then what we can do is we can actually highlight this, and we can go ahead and go to links and we can highlight over that. And now what we can do is open up the notepad, take our affiliate link, and now we can actually link to external URL, and then we can go ahead, click off of that. And now what happens is if someone sees this PDF, they open it and they hit here and they click it, it's gonna now redirect to our affiliate link. So you just wanna basically go through and you can go ahead and copy that, and I can go ahead and just every few pages, you can find a place to put it. So I can do right there, paste that in, go to links, I can go ahead and highlight, and then I can go back to the notepad and then go ahead and put that link in right there and then click off. So you can see we're now adding these links in there throughout the PDF. So when we go ahead and post this free ad in a second, you're gonna be able to give someone a free PDF, which they're gonna be happy to receive. And when they read this, they start to digest that free content, that free information, they're gonna be very happy. And then they're gonna see this link, they're gonna click it, go to our affiliate offer and decide to buy. buy. Okay, so click apply changes right there. It's gonna go ahead and save all those links into the PDF. And then what we want to do is we want to actually download it to our computer and then do the final step, which is posting the ad. So go ahead, click download. Now, one last step before we actually post the ad is we want to put the PDF online, so then we can just give people the link and they can go check it out. So if you have a Gmail account, you can actually go to Google, click this little square and go to Drive. That's going to take you to your Google Drive. I can do new, I can do file upload, and now I can upload that PDF to my Google Drive. Okay, so once you upload it like this, what we want to do is right click that and we want to actually click get link. Okay, now we want to make sure it says anyone with the link, and then we want to copy the link. Now the next step is we want to actually go to a website called tinyurl.com. We want to paste in the link to our PDF and we want to click make tiny URL. Okay, and we want to go ahead and copy that link right there, and we're going to use that in just a second, but I want to share with you what happens when someone actually goes to that. Okay, so if we actually open up this link, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to the PDF, and you can see that at the top it says click here for more info. When they click that, it actually goes to the sales page where they can go ahead and buy. So the last step is we want to go back to the page on World Profit and we want to actually post the ad. So I've actually put together a totally free cheat sheet with over 50 copy paste ads you can get access to, so you can literally just take any one of those ads and post it on this site. The link to get access is directly below. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Okay, so all you have to do is take any one of these headlines, copy that, go back here, paste that in as the title, and then you can go ahead and go to this cheat sheet, copy any one of the ad bodies like this, and then we just paste it into the ad content. You can go ahead and format that better like that. And then for the URL, all we want to do is take that tiny URL that we created and paste it in just like that, and we can go ahead and click post ad. Now, once you do that, it's going to show up in all these other ads, and thousands of people a day are hitting this website. And a lot of people, because you're using those copy paste ad titles and bodies that I've pre-created for you, they're proven to work. You're going to get tons of traffic and people going to your PDF, going to your affiliate links and deciding to buy, making you $350 or more per day. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value inside this video. If you did and you want me to make more just like this, smash the like button. Also comment directly below, yes, this helped me. So again, I'll know to create more content just like this one. Last but not least, my friend, again, all the links are directly below, so it's very handy. You can go ahead and follow this method today and start to get results. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.